Yeah, welcome back to the channel. Now I have to look at the Toyota Corolla. It have been to what we call air control, and I come back with some rust on some brake pipes that we're going to get fixed. But also they come back with telling that the light, the picture of the light you see here is completely wrong, they say. So now I have to just check if I think it could be the bulbs that was in wrong. Then we first have to open the front. Remove this. Is this supposed to go up? Was it supposed to go down? Supposed to go out to the side of the car. The only chance here is if they are upside down in some way. A serious thing here now is that compared to the book it's telling me how it's supposed to be, this is wrong. They are upside down. Because the instruction book say that this should be on the top. In here it was on the bottom. At least they're sitting that way. Now is it only to get that spring up again? Actually, no, it's in. Not sure if you see it on the camera. the spring is up again where it's supposed to be. Seriously, I don't think from factory when I put in this, I must have put in the bulb in the start. See the light over here. The light is much better. So that was in upside down, so now I have to take the other side where the battery is standing. There is really going to prove a problem, so I have to move the battery. Okay. Now I remember I forgot to put back the other cover. Yeah. Now I know everything is wrong here, so now I just have to take off this wire first, put it away, and I have my mirror so I can be in looking. It's the same problem, it's upside down. This time it was into the vehicle. There. That one was down. That one's supposed to be up. See? This side up. So there, it's in space. Hopeless to be able to yeah, actually I think I'm in. Seriously, yes, this side was much easier. Then it's just putting back the wire. Or just there. Everything was easier here. Just putting back my covers. There. That should be working. Here I have to get my power back on. Now I understand why it could have been smart to take off the other side first and see a little problem here, because here is a very small space. This two magnetic and rubber. I was lucky I had bought it, but I had forgot about it. So I needed it. There. Now it's locked up again. Now the bulbs are turned the right way. Outside, battery is back, cover is back, and cover is back. Theoretically, I put on the light here now. You see how completely different light pattern on both sides. So that was actually what the guy at the repair place believed. I didn't see any reason even trying to adjust it. They said, I think they already put in wrong. And he was right. So now the right way, upright, right way, back forward. Okay, now they're fixed. That's the important stuff. And we can see in here, before they was standing a little in a corner. That light is not perfect. This one is better. As you see, the bulb is now the right way around. So now things are okay. That problem fixed. Now it's only to change the brake pipe. But that I say for the guys up at the repair place, fix it for me. I don't have the tools. I haven't done it before. I don't have the time. So I have to learn it properly before I want to start doing that. I have done a lot of brake work, but before I do that I have to be 100% sure that I don't make problems. And with this I haven't done it, so don't take the chance. That's important. You can try a lot on your car, don't take a chance with security. Safety is important. So thank you for looking at this little fixing of the light problem in this car. It's actually also to see a video of how to put in the bulb. So now I just have to check what the name of that bulb is, because I haven't checked that. So thank you for watching. Please come back and subscribe to the channel, please, and put a like and also put a comment. Thank you.